How to add shipping cost on Shopify. From the left hand side, we want to select settings once we have logged into Shopify. And here from the left hand side again, we will see shipping and delivery. I'm going to show you how you can set this up. So we have general shipping rates. So if we click on rates 4, we can select our shop location here. We can change it. And also for domestic rates, you can set them right here by clicking on add rate, and you will do express, for example, and we set the price here. Click on done. Now we have set this as an express rate, and also we have an option to do international rates by clicking on add rate again here and typing out the rate that you would like. After that, after you have filled out the shipping costs here for the different locations, you can click on save, and now this will have successfully updated your shipping information on your Shopify store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.